Arizona Riders Club.
Come ride with us.
Hello, friends. It's Mr. Rogers. No! It's T with Arizona Riders Club, and we are in this beautiful Winnebago. Let's take a look at this thing. We got a 52-inch flat screen TV. It's on the floor for some reason, not quite sure why. Leather couches. Look at the interior on these things. Granite countertop. Okay, so the TV's supposed to go there on the top, but they've got the little, is that a, oh, that's pretty cool. Electric fireplace. Cabinets all through that there, microwave sink. Got a little, what would you call this, a dining room area? Here's the kitchen. Not bad, eh? More cabinets. We've got a bathroom over here. More storage area, and then master bedroom. Take a look at this. Oh, another bathroom in here. This thing is spacious, man. Could you see yourself living in something like this, man? Hey, anywhere I roam, where I lay my hat is home. All right, let's get in here. Let's go around the back. I'm sorry, let's go around the outside. Okay, so there's the door, steps to the door. Big boy all through that there. It's an Outback Keystone Superlight. Man, got the pop out over here looking gravy, bruh. Docking station. Another pop out here for the master bedroom. Look at this thing, man. I could see myself in that thing right there. What about you guys? It's T, Arizona Riders Club. You know the slogan. Ride with us. Whole lot of money in this